Today I'm going to replace the keypad here on my vending machine. It's a 1800 RS800 with a new one. Get a little bit of a side view here. That's the board. This is actually the cable that the keypad runs to, which you see actually accidentally ripped it. But basically, you just want to pull back from here, pull the cable out. You see these pins sticking out. It's going to go into the new one. And then if I kind of close this a little bit, you see the keypad here. It's held on by like an adhesive. See that out. Next, what we're going to want to do is kind of clean up this area right here so that the new one has a fresh surface to stick onto. It's kind of a lot of little residue here left from the last one. Very sticky, so you just want to keep your hands on the edge. Through. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Looks tension. There's tension. Let's go ahead and get it connected like this. This should be good. Now I have the new keypad there. It already looks a lot better. So you can see here we got to replace. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into like a test mode, basically make sure all the buttons are working. So we see up and down, looks like it's working. We're just gonna go to test here, motors, that way we can put in all the letters. A working, and working. B, C, D, working. Cool, so now we're gonna go up to setup. Let's go to manage. And then we're gonna review the pricing. A1, 2, 3, all working. 4, 5, 6, all working. 7, 8, 9, working. One more time. 0 looks like it's working. So looks like we went ahead and replaced it. Looks like everything is working. You can see it looks a lot better that way.